Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back again to another video. And today, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you what you need to make a meatloaf. Okay. What you're gonna need is ground beef, or a mixture of ground beef and steak mince, beef mince and steak mince, or just beef mince. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna need panko breadcrumbs, and you're gonna need black pepper, thyme. What I've got here is 2 beef stock cubes, which I've stirred together into some hot water in like a little dish to form like a paste. You're also going to need 2 eggs. Okay, and then you're going to need 1 whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of finely chopped parsley, and last of all, tomato ketchup. All right, what you're gonna want to do first is crack 2 eggs. Let me just get rid of these. Okay, now just mix the eggs up. Alright, that's done. Now just put the egg mixture onto the ground steak and beef mince. Next, I'm thinking, all the ingredients go in together, so it doesn't really matter what order you put them in. But anyway, I'm going to next put in the panko breadcrumbs. Next, black pepper and thyme. The 2 beef stock cubes. Parsley. Garlic. Last of all, onion.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, not bad, you.
It's sweaty. Aircon's not working in the car. Yeah. No small package for me today, was there?
No.
Yeah.
hang on. I nearly forgot. Worcestershire sauce. And you don't need an awful lot of this stuff because it is quite strong. Alright, now, all we do now is take the mixture out the bowl and put it into a baking tray. Or a tray, or a tin, or whatever you want to call it. This sort of shape, like a loaf shape. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. Okay, now this is done. Do is you do that afterwards. It's right. Now all you do is put it in the oven. You're going to want to put this in the oven for about an hour and 30 minutes on 2 seconds. You're going to want to put that in for an hour and 30 minutes. You're going to want to set the temperature between between 150 and 200 if you've got an electric oven like we have. But if you've got a gas oven, I'd recommend maybe gas mark 6. But anyway, I'll go and chuck this in the oven. See you soon. Okay, there we have it. There's our meatloaf done. Alright guys, well that will wrap up today's video, I think. And here we are. Here's the meatloaf. Here's our glorious meatloaf. Up until Easter, you can expect that another video will be out. I'm not really sure yet, I just sort of plan in the moment. Well, sometimes, not always. But anyway, something we'll make something anyway, either way, regardless. But yeah, there we have it. This is how you make a typical meatloaf.